Danielle from the Huron Public Library, and we miss you. I hope you're having a good summer. I hope you enjoyed the summer reading program, and I hope you are staying healthy. So we wanted to end the summer with a back to school kit for you. It has some goodies in it, plus Gobees, which is a fun little craft that you can hook onto your backpack. So join me for craft. All right, so Gobees, here's our kit. So go ahead and put it open, and you will find the instructions very clearly on the back. You do not need anything to do this. Everything that you need is right in here. So let's go ahead and spill it all out. You're gonna have beads, your little sea creature guy, a clip, and 4 strings of paracord. Okay, and the first thing that we're gonna do is open up our beads. Okay, and I'm going to split mine up into 4 different groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of them are gonna have 2 animals and some beads. Okay, that is finished. Okay, now I'm going to take my cords and notice that on all 4 of the cords, there's one end that is tied and there's one end that is not tied. So we are going to start by stringing the beads onto the end that is tied. Okay, so they're going to be down here, and then we're going to string it through these holes, this little guy. Okay, and then the second set of beads is going to go on this end, and then we'll tie that. That's why we want to split up the beads, and that's why each pile is for both ends. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with this one, and I'm going to go 1 of each color of the pony beads. Okay, and I'm going to pick one of my little animals, my seal. Okay, we're going to string him all the way down. Okay, and then this one is done for now. You can switch it up. So now I'm going to do my pony beads first, and then put my little guy on. Okay, so then we have our last blue one. I'm gonna put my little turtle on there. Okay, so I have my first set done. Okay, now I'm going to take my animal, which you may have a different one than I do, but they all have these same 4 little hooks at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the strings and simply string it through. Okay, then I'm gonna take my other set of beads and put them on. Put my little animal on. Okay, so I have both sets of beads, and now I'm going to tie a knot. Okay, so my final one here, I'm going to string my last one through there. Okay, put my beads on. Here. Okay, so now you're going to want to tie a knot at this end, and how I do it is I just make a loop, and push the end through. And I scoot it as close down to the end as I can and pull really tight. Okay, so now you have your beading finished. All of your beads are on, your paracords on. The last thing that we need to do is attach the hook so you can attach it to your book bag. So pretty simple. All you're gonna do is open this hook and put it on the bigger ring and place it at the bottom of the hook. Okay, so here is your finished craft. All right, and you can go ahead and hook it onto your backpack and have a buddy all school year. We sure do miss you guys, and we can't wait until you can get into the library to see us. I'm Danielle, and I hope you guys have a fun and healthy school year.